children, today let's start with chapter number 8, that is staying safe. An accident can happen anywhere, right? So accident take place when people are careless. It can hurt and harm people, right? Those safety rules. To stay safe, we should observe some rules, and these are called safety rules. So we should always be careful and stay away from danger. So on roads are crowded in towns and cities. One has to be careful while walking. So do not walk in the middle of the road. Do not play or run on the road. Right? So आपको ना भागना है, ना उसके बीच में भागना है रोड के, ना ही खेल. Follow traffic rule. We must always walk on footpath. Hold the hand of your elder while walking on the road. Always walk on the left side. Cross the road at zebra crossing. Right? अब क्या करना है? रोड को क्रॉस करना है कहाँ पे? जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग. नेक्स्ट इज, आप देखेंगे वेट फॉर ट्रैफिक सिग्नल. आपको ट्रैफिक सिग्नल के लिए वेट करना है. एंड होल्ड द हैंड ऑफ द एल्डर व्हेन यू आर वॉकिंग ऑन द रोड. आपको किसी बड़े का हाथ पकड़ना है. वॉक ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. हमेशा आपको रोड के लेफ्ट साइड पे वॉक. नाउ एट स्कूल, डू नॉट जंप ऑन बेंचेस, चेयर और टेबल्स. नेवर यूज ब्लेड और स्ट्रैप, जैसे नाइफ वगैरह का यूज नहीं किया. डू नॉट पुश ईच अदर व्हाइल क्लाइंबिंग चेयर्स. ऑलवेज स्टैंड इन अ क्यू व्हाइल बोर्डिंग द स्कूल बस. Always avoid getting on or getting down a moving bus. ठीक है. At home, if we talk about, if we are not careful, we might get hurt. It is dangerous to play with matchstick. ठीक है. Never touch our electric switch with wet hands. Never play with fire. It get hurt. Inform your parents to call elder for help. Do not take medicines without advice of doctor. It is dangerous to play outdoor games inside the house. You may break things. Avoid running down the staircase. Keep your belongings like shoes, clothes in a proper place. Right? Never play near the gas stop. और ना ही आपको gas stop के आसपास खेलना है. Right? In the playground, always play in the park or playground. Do not fight or hurt each other. If you want to swim, go with your elders or trainers. Right? Do not touch or pick up random things lying on the plate. On bus, if we talk about, wait in a queue for the bus. Sit quietly on your seat. Do not put your head or arm out of the moving bus. Get in or get off of the bus and when it stops. In car, sit quietly on the back bench. Strap the seat belt if you are sitting on the front seat. आपको seat belt लगानी है अगर आप front seat पे बैठे हैं. Do not put your hand or hand out of the window. भाई बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, कोई व्हीकल चल रहा है उसके बाहर हाथ नहीं, वो नहीं करता है. On bicycle, ride the bicycle only when you can ride it well. Avoid main roads. Always use the cycle track or edge on the road. Right? These are some safety rules that you should follow, and it's your duty that you should follow these safety rules. Right? That's all for today. Now let's meet in the next class. Thank you.